friends, in this tutorial we discuss about the next tool in navigation, pan tool. This is the pan tool. So your cursor automatically turn like hand. So just click, you can pan your model right to left, top to bottom. In the short method, use your mouse. So just hold your center button and press shift key. So normally hold center button is the orbit tool. If you use shift key, it automatically turn to pan. So normally you can press this orbit tool. Along with you can press shift key, you can pan your model. It is very useful while modeling.